The first time I ever had brown sugar pancakes was one night when I was in college, and it was too late. The dance was going to be too late for us to get back to the college by the time we were supposed to. And we stayed all night with one of my sorority sisters and her mother and in Waterloo, outside of Waterloo. And she fixed brown sugar pancakes for us. And that was the first time I ever had them. And they were so good. And they were, I thought, so easy to make. And I made them, and then, well, I didn't make them then. I made them once we had the family. Or I was married, I guess. It's the first time I ever made them. And they're good. We've made them hundreds of times since then. And others have enjoyed them thanks to our family. And Heather enjoyed them and made them for her family. Her family made them for the families across the nation. So now they are international. I think international. Maybe not, maybe just national. No, they're international now. So, enjoy brown sugar pancakes.